Hi, I'm Aaron Dishman, sales manager down at Artesia Tate Branch Dodge, and I want to thank you for taking the time to look at this vehicle.
The 2016 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock brakes, traction control, power driver's seat, side airbags, passenger airbag, dual airbags, driver airbag, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here at Tate Branch, we have a lifetime powertrain warranty, unlimited time, unlimited miles on all qualifying vehicles. 919 South 1st Street in Artesia. Come down and let us make you part of the Tate Branch family.